Meaning now you must be ordained and anointed
Kwameneke ukuthi ke ugqotshwe
with an anointing.
ngolugqobo.
Because anointing means
Ngoba ke lugqobo ke
what
luthi
was impossible
lokhu ke lokungenteki.
can be made possible now.
Kona kungentiwa ukuthi kwenteke
Because
manje.
anointing means
Ngoba ke lugqobo ke luthi
the yokes that were upon your shoulders
leli joke belisethuka emahlombe akho.
can simply be lifted.
Lona ke lingasuswa nje kalula.
Because anointing means
Ngoba ke lugqobo luchaza
you can be put into a condition that has killed many.
ungafaka esimeni lesibulalela abaningi.
But because of the anointing that is upon your life,
Kepha ke ngenxa yeligqobo ethuka empilo yakho.
you survive what has killed people.
Wena waseke soyanqoba lokho lokubulala abantu.
So if we say this Sunday is the Sunday
Uma ke sithi ke lesondvo leli ke lisondvo.
where we are to deal with impossible matters of our lives.
Lasibheka naletimo letingenteke timpilweni tethu.
Kuyawufuneka siyeke lele tinto letingendeki.
We need to leave the impossible things
Sithathe into lebitwa ngelugqobo.
and we take something that is called the anointing.
Hamba nayo siyagqobisa umuntu.
Then we go and we anoint somebody
Lofuna tendeke le
who
tinto.
wants the things to happen.
So if you are not being employed,
Wena ke uma ungakathathi